Hello friends, myself Mukesh Patel from Atmiya Institute of Technology and Science for Diploma Study. Welcome to my YouTube channel Explore Technology. Today we'll discuss the topic queue and operation of queue. First we'll see what is queue. A queue is a linear list of elements in which deletion of elements can take place at one end, that is called front, and the insert the element at another end is called rear. In a queue, J element પહેલા insert થશે, A element પહેલા delete થશે. So the queue is said to be FIFO, that is first in, first out. Then we'll see the operation of queue. There are two operations of queue, that is push, that is insert, and pop, that is delete. First we'll see the push operation. When we want to insert an element in the queue, we have to check the rear pointer whether it is point to the maximum or not. If it is not in maximum position, then increment the rear pointer and insert the element. આપણે એક example લેશું. Here it is a queue. It consisting of 4 elements. The maximum size of the queue is 6 and front pointer points to 10 and rear pointer points to 40. Whenever we want to insert an element, so here the position of the rear is 4th. It is not the maximum, so we can insert the element. So first we have to increase the value of the rear to rear plus 1, that is 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Then we can insert the element 50 in the queue. Then we'll see the delete operation, that is pop. When we want to delete an element from the queue, first we have to check the front pointer. If it is less than 0, then we cannot delete the element. But if it is more than 0, then we increment the front pointer and delete the element. Let's take one example. This is a queue. There are 4 elements in the queue and the maximum size is 6. Here front value is 1, so we can delete an element. For delete an element, we have to increase the value of the front pointer, that is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So the element 10 will be deleted and front will points to 20. Then we'll see the algorithm of push. Here the parameters are S, front, rear, and the element to be inserted, that is X. In the step 1, we'll check for the overflow. If rear is greater than or equal to the maximum size, we have to print the queue is overflow. We cannot insert an element. And if it is not greater than or equal to size, then increment the rear pointer and insert the value, that is S of rear is equal to the value of the element, that is X. Here we have to set the front pointer. If front is equal to -1, then front is equal to 0. That means first time whenever the queue is empty and the element to be inserted is the first element, at that time the front points to the -1. So for that we have to set the front pointer -1 to 0. Next we'll see the algorithm of delete operation, that is pop. Here the parameters are S, front, rear, and X. First we'll check the queue is underflow or not. That means if front value is equal to -1 or 0, then we have to print queue is underflow and we have to assign the value X to S of front. Then we have to print the value to be which is already deleted. Then we have to check for the queue is empty or not. If front is equal to rear, then we have to set front is equal to 0 and rear is equal to 0. But if front and rears are not equal, then we have to increment the front pointer, that is front is equal to front plus 1. So thank you friends for watching this video.